Assalamu alaikum my dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIBS Homeschool. This is Muhammad Emdadul, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a math class of class 7. Our today's topic is exercise 7.2, word problem 13 and 15. These two word problems I will solve in this class, and word problem 15 is given for your homework. Okay dear students, let us see the question. At first I will solve question 13. See question 13. In a cricket match, the total number of runs scored by Imon and Shumon was 58. It means that total number of runs of Imon and Shumon is 58. This is the total run. Number of Imon's run was 5 runs less than twice the number of Shumon's run. It means that if we know the runs of Shumon, then we multiply that by 2 and subtract 5 from the product, we will get the run of Imon. What was the number of runs scored by Imon in that game? We need to find the run of Imon scored in that game. Okay dear students, to do this it will be easier to solve the question if we consider or if we take the Shumon's run at first. You may take the Imon's run also, that time you will get the answer directly after solving the equation, but if you take Shumon's run you will not get answer directly. That time you have to find the Shumon's run at first, then from the condition you have to find the Imon's runs. But if you take Imon's run, then this will be little bit critical as fraction will come here. So we will consider at first Shumon's run. Okay dear students, let us see the solution. Let the run scored by Shumon is X, or you can write let Shumon scored X runs. Therefore, the run scored by Imon is, that will be 2 times of Shumon minus 5, as 5 less than twice. So this will be 2x minus 5. Now this is the run of Shumon and this is the run of Imon. If we add these two, we will get the total run of Imon and Shumon. This total run of Imon and Shumon is given, that is 58. So we can say sum of these two is 58. So we can write as per question. 2x minus 5 plus x is equal to 58, or we can remove the bracket 2x minus 5 plus x, that is 58, or we can write 2x and x will be 3x. Now we have to remove this 5 from left side. To remove this minus 5 from left side, we have to add 5 from both sides. Add 5 with both sides, it will be 3x 58 plus 5. This rule is known as transposition. Okay dear students, now see 58 plus 5 is 63. Now we have to remove this 3 from left side. To remove this 3, we have to divide both sides by 3, that is 63 divided by 3. If you want, you can get the side note when you are solving the problems. Therefore x equal to 21. If we divide 63 by 3, we will get 21. Okay dear students, what is mean by X? X means the runs of Schumann. It means Schumann scored, therefore Schumann scored 21 runs. So Emon scored Here we can apply two techniques. If we subtract 21 from 58, we will get the required answer. Or if we multiply 21 by 2 and then subtract 5, we will get the answer. But it will be easier to subtract 21 from 58 as their sum is 58. This means that subtract 1, you will get 7 and subtract 2, you will get 3, 37 runs. Okay, dear students, I have solved question 13. So we can say our answer of question 13 is 37 runs. Now I have to solve question 15. Okay, dear students, let us see what is question 15. The length of a rectangular land is thrice its breadth and the perimeter of the land is 40 meters. Determine the length and breadth of the land. Okay, dear students, now see, suppose this is a rectangular land. Its breadth is, suppose its breadth is x. Then what will be the length? Length will be its thrice means 3 times. So this will be 3x. Here perimeter means the total length of all sides. Total length of all sides. So this is given 40. This is given 40. Perimeter is 40. Dear students, you know the perimeter of a rectangle is the addition of 2 lengths and 2 breadths, and for this you know a formula. Okay, dear students, now let us solve the question. Let the breadth of the land is x meter. As perimeter is given in meter, we can consider the unit meter, x meters. Okay, so the length of the garden length of the land, not garden. Length of the land is, this will be thrice of its breadth, means 3 times of length, it means 3x. Okay, dear students, now see, we know perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle, that is 2 into length plus breadth. This is unit. Okay, dear students, this is the formula to determine the perimeter of a rectangle or rectangular shape. As the land is rectangular in shape, so we can say the perimeter of the land. Therefore, the perimeter of the land that is 2 into length is 3x here, breadth is x here. Here unit is meter, I have taken. So calculate now. 2 into 3x and x means 4x meters. This will be 4 2s are 8x meters. Okay, dear students, now see perimeter is given, that is 40. Perimeter is given, that is 40 meters in the question that is given here. So we can write as per question. As per question. Perimeter means 8x, that is 40. Or we can divide both sides by 8, we will get 40 by 8. So value of x is 5. If we divide 40 by 8, we will get 5. Okay, dear students, our question is determine the length and breadth of the land. Determine the length and breadth of the land. Here the breadth of the land is 5. Therefore, the breadth of the land is 5 meters. So, the length of the land is thrice means 3 times of 5 meters, that is 15 meter. So we can say our required answer for this question, length 15 meter and breadth 5 meters. Okay, dear students, I hope you have understood our today's lecture. That's all for today. Dear students, do question 15 as your homework. This is your homework 32. Only 15, question 15 solve as your homework and submit your homework on next Sunday. Dear students, you know homework is very important for your annual examination, as your CT marks, diary marks and SBA marks will be given based on the performance of your homework. Okay, dear students, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents, stay home, stay safe, see you again. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.